In 2015, I was a managed IT engineer evaluating and supporting several clients at once. Every time I looked at a new network, I found issues that would be easy to exploit. This was the case everywhere, including critical organizations like hospitals and government facilities. That's when I realized how extensive cyber risk is in the modern world. The more I looked, the more I noticed a similar set of recurring security problems. In 2018, I started evaluating cybersecurity solutions to address these problems and quickly realized that technology alone was not enough to tackle these challenges. That's when I started recruiting cybersecurity experts to develop comprehensive cybersecurity services. The rate of new cyber threats is constantly increasing. Changes to the risk landscape emerge so quickly that, unless an organization has access to a team of cybersecurity experts with specialized security tech, there's no way for them to detect and respond to threats until it's too late. Once we realized that, our next step was obvious. In 2021, Dot Security was launched. We provide effective cybersecurity services and access to industry experts who are on top of the latest developments in the cyber realm. Cybersecurity is not a nice to have, it's a must. What is your security strategy? Learn how you can improve your cyber risk strategy now at dotsecurity.com.